Hello lads, my name is Godfar Ironbeard and welcome you to my Dwarven kitchen. Today we shall study cuisine of Gotham City. Step number 1. Take a bath in acid and become crazy killer. Hooray for crazy Joker Dwarf! New face, new life. And how best to start a new life? Of course, with perfect egg sandwich, just like Harley Quinn. Unfortunately, our budget wasn't enough for her. So what? This episode doesn't make sense anyway. Let's turn on psychedelic lights and get started. How to make sandwich? Actually, we have recipe in the movie, so let's go.
What a way to start my new life. The perfect egg sandwich.
I love you.
Bacon, egg, cheese, and just a dash of hot sauce.
Not too much, Sal.
Want to taste that cheese?
You can't make an omelette without breaking an egg. Well, we don't make an omelette, but it's always good to break an egg. We'll take some bacon for that. It's important to give your bacon a name. Mine is named Commissioner. And cheese. The cheese has no name because it didn't scream enough. We are gonna need spicy red sauce. Don't ask me where I got that sauce. And a bread roll from the best baker in town. Don't look for him. He won't bake anything again. I'm melting butter in the pan. I soak the bread roll in butter. I press the roll against the hot surface without mercy. I fry an egg in a hot frying pan. It's supposed to look nicer. Now I'm frying the commissioner. He's not screaming anymore. Luckily, I'm hallucinating and I hear screams in my head. When the egg turns brown on both sides, I put cheese on it. I wait for it to melt. It's a little longer than the human skin melts in the acid. And now it's time for the spicy red sauce. Not too much. Not to kill the taste of the cheese. Or maybe I will give you a little bit more. And a crunchy commissioner on the top. I told you not to mess with me, Gordon. It shall be a perfect crime, because I'm about to eat all the evidence. Oh no, it's a bad dwarf. Ah, damn it, I dropped my sandwich.